Introduction to the Income Tax course. Now this course is available for you to follow online if you visit taxguide.lk. We will see what you get from this course. What you learn in this course. This course offers an extensive coverage of income tax law in Sri Lanka in accordance with the provisions of the Inland Revenue Act number 24 of 2017, including subsequent amendments to the Act up to the last amendment, Act number 14 of 2023, certified on September 8, 2023. In addition to that, there will be separate lessons. So when the future changes are enacted, so you can continue learning that, because there will be new lessons will be added to this course. So then you have a comprehensive coverage of the income tax law in Sri Lanka. So areas to be covered. This course provides a series of lessons covering all the topics. In addition, case studies and practical approaches are also discussed. The relevant circulars, guidelines, public rulings, gazette notification issued by the Department of Inland Revenue, Ministry of Finance, etc. are discussed with each topic. So you get the practical understanding of the rationale of the section and also the comprehensive knowledge of each and every section. Q&A sessions are added to each session where necessary. A description of each lesson is provided, detailing the content to help in selecting areas of interest. Now, each lesson, the content will be given separately, describing what is there in this video. So then you can select specific areas that of your interest also you can select. Now, course outline. So in a broader concept, I have given here the course outline. So this will be further topics will be added subsequently, where you are interested, then you can follow. Introduction, structure of the Act and the tax base. So you have to first learn the basic things. Then type of persons and provisions relating to each type, namely taxation of individual, taxation of partnership, taxation of companies, resident and non-resident companies. Other entities such as NGOs, charitable institutions, clubs and associations, unit trusts, etc. So with all the relevant provisions you will be learning. Then deduction rules. What are the deductions available for each and every source, and the general deduction rules and specific deduction rules. Then transitional provisions with regards to the old Act, and when we convert into the new Act, what are the transitional arrangements. So that also you are going to learn in detail. Then realization of assets and liability, it will be investment asset. So in that case it is capital gain, and there may be sale of a capital asset of the business. So then it is business profits. Also there will be certain losses, etc. on the realization of liabilities. So those things that are also you can learn. Then tax exemptions and concessions. Then withholding tax provisions, rules relating to calculation of taxable income and other sources. That means the basic concepts, central concepts which are applicable to everyone. So what are the rules available which you have to follow. Certain industry provisions, certain specific industry provisions, then like insurance, then petroleum industry, banking and finance, NGOs, etc. There is a special chapter called special industry provision. Then schedules to the Act. There are 6 schedules, so you are going to learn what are the areas that is covered in those schedules and the rationale behind those schedules, etc. Then special definitions, certain special definitions are available in the Act. So we are going to learn that. Then associated persons and concept of underlying ownership. There are certain new concepts which have been incorporated to the law based on BEPS recommendation, base erosion and profit shifting. So you are going to learn those things. provisions relating to transfer pricing, provisions relating to international taxation, and also administrative provisions. Administrative provisions are of course bit lengthy, so we will be discussing those things as well. So the important areas which are necessary for you to learn, the appeals, assessments, recovery, and all those provisions are also covered in this course. And so then you know this what you gather from this course, there are 206 sections and 6 schedules in the Inland Revenue Act number 24 2017, and up to now the act has been amended 4 times. The lessons are designed to offer comprehensive coverage of income taxation with an in-depth analysis of each section of the act. So they cater to those learning income tax for the first time, as well as to those who are interested in specific topics and wish to select their areas of interest. So then sometimes you may not be interested of following the whole course, but each and every lesson, so the description is given, what is inside that lesson. So then you can select for your interest, you can select those areas. So hope that you will enjoy this course. So then we'd like to have a feedback once you follow the course. Then you can contact through email, and if there is any issue, particular issue that you are interested to know further, so that will be provided. So thank you.